What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Tectonic, which has just about pumped up 1% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too major. As you can see, it's been more or less fluctuating at the current price range over the last 24 hours. No major pumps or dips have been taking place, so we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to pump soon? If so, how much by? What is the highest figure it can hit? Is it a crypto worth investing into right now, or should you wait for it to drop, or should you avoid it at all costs? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its next target and its next potential pump, and how much is it going to go up by. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is performing absolutely well right now. As you can see, 6% up in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin hitting $19,000 after a good few months guys. It's a good time. Obviously, so far 2023 has been very good, more on the green side than the red. Hopefully we can maintain that for the rest of the year. And as you can see, most of the other cryptocurrencies are up as well, with Bitcoin over 8% up guys. So today's focus is anyways on Tectonic. So in the last hour itself, it has dropped just about 0.1%, nothing major. Over the last day, again fluctuation. Over the week, 17% guys. As you can see, it's been very volatile. Dropped earlier, or last week shall I say, and then consistently going up in value over the last 5-6 days. And over the month, is a massive 78% up guys, with a major peak here on the 3rd, 4th and 5th of January. Took a little dip, and right now going back up in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 46% in the last 24 hours, making it $225,000 in trading, which is not that much. However, because of its drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours before obviously this pump here, most people are just holding on to it. They're not buying it, they're not selling it, they're just holding on to it to see what happens with the crypto, as it only came out a few, I wouldn't say launched, but people got to know about this crypto a couple of days ago, so that's why most people are just holding on to it. And as you can see, the volume is very low compared to all the other cryptocurrencies. So let's get straight into it guys. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Tectonic, which at the moment is here in purple. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? The blue and the orange line are still going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So by early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, we should expect an overall increase in value on Tectonic. Nothing too crazy, nothing major. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, and again, do expect dips in between as well. As I mentioned plenty of times guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a percentage increase, do expect red candlesticks as well, because that is part of the process. So do expect more red candlesticks as well as green candlesticks, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, going towards the positive direction. So over the coming days, so I'm talking about over the next week or so, do expect an overall minimal increase in value on Tectonic. So again, we should expect more green days over the coming 7 to 8 days. However, when I'm saying green days, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to drop, green days when it's going to pump. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect from Tectonic over the coming 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, still looking positive guys. So at the moment, Tectonic is looking very, very good. However, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning it is not realistic. And yes, I agree with that. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a positive direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is doing very well. It's going to keep pumping. It's going to keep going up in value. Now, however, that is not the case. What I am expecting from Tectonic is for it to drop back down in value towards the end of January. We should expect it dropping back down to around where its purple line is here, the average MACD indicator, sorry, not MACD indicator, the SMA indicator, and hopefully once it hits that target, we should see a slow and steady increase in value towards the end of February and early March as well. We should be seeing it trade at about this target here where it says 0 point, couple of zeros and then 20 cents. So again, yes, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value, the increase isn't that major. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value. Again, do expect for it to drop as well over the coming 2 to 3 weeks before it goes back up in value towards the end of February and early March as well. However, this depends on the market conditions. For example, if there's a crash or a major bull run or a price pump, this could have a potential positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Tectonic, but most cryptos out there. But if I'm able to predicting anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So that is pretty much it. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, very far away from the green zone, and I don't think we're going to hit the green zone this year. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But at the moment, it is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone for the next year and a half. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Tectonic, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your expectations and your predictions on this crypto. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. So comment down below your end of year target for Tectonic. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button before you click off the video, because there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway once I hit that target. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.